Okay, so before we touch anything on this floor plan, I want you to look at this legend on the side here. Every single symbol we are going to place on this drawing, and it's already right here in this legend. We're not going to be searching through menus today. We're going to copy directly from the legend and place it exactly where it needs to go on the floor plan. Power components first, lighting comes after. Let's start. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is our AutoCAD Electrical Beginner series, and today we're doing something very practical. I've got our residential floor plan open, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, kitchen, dining area, living room, corridor and balcony. I've also got the legend sitting right here on the same drawing. The method we're using today is simple. Find the symbol in the legend, copy it, place it on the plan. That's it. If you're following along, open your drawing and let's go. Alright, so here's our legend. You can see all the symbols laid out here. Double socket, distribution board, TV outlet, cooker unit, data point and more. These are not just pictures. In AutoCAD Electrical, these are live symbols with intelligence built in. So the way we copy from here is very simple. Click on the symbol in the legend to select it, press Ctrl+C to copy, or right-click and choose copy. Click on the floor plan area where you want to place it, then press Ctrl+Phi to paste, and click to position it exactly. And a quick tip here. After pasting, AutoCAD may prompt you to fill in the tag number and description. Always fill this in. It builds your bill of materials automatically. Okay, first component, we always start with the distribution board. This is the origin point for every circuit in the building. Find it in the legend and it's the blue rectangle symbol labeled distribution board. Copy it. Now come to the floor plan, we're going to place our main board, a DBA, right here in the corridor. The corridor is the center of this apartment, so cable runs to every room will be short. That's good engineering practice. Paste it, position it on the corridor wall. Now go back to the legend, copy the distribution board again. We need 2 more for the kitchen, DBB and DBC. The kitchen has high load appliances, so it gets its own subboards. Paste DBB on the kitchen wall. Paste again. Position it right beside DBB. DBA in corridor, DBB and DBC in kitchen. Distribution boards done? Right. Now we go to the double socket in the legend. Copy it. Let's go to bedroom 1, the top left bedroom. Before I paste anything, I always check the door swing first. See that arc on the door? That tells you where the door opens. Never paste a socket behind the door, did they? It'll be blocked and inaccessible when the door is open. Tip, check door swing arcs before every socket placement. The arc shows the door travel path. Keep all sockets clear of it. Okay, left wall, bedside. Paste the socket here. Tag it. Fill in the description. Now copy again from the legend and place the second socket on the bottom wall near the wardrobe area. Bedroom 1, 2 double sockets placed. Same process for bedroom 2. Copy the double socket from the legend again. Come down to the bottom left bedroom. Check the door swing. Good. The door opens inward to the right, so the left wall is clear. Paste socket 1 on the right wall, bedside. Paste socket 2 on the upper wall. Tag both of them. Bedroom 2, 2 double sockets placed. The living room needs 3 different power symbols, so we'll go back to the legend a few times here. First, the TV outlet. Find it in the legend and it's the symbol with TV written inside a box. Copy it. Come to the living room, your right wall facing the sofa. That's your TV feature wall. Paste it there. Now go back to the legend, find the data point, the solid downward triangle, copy it, paste it right beside the TV outlet. TV and internet always go together on the same wall. Tag it. Back to the legend, copy the double socket. We need two in the living room for general use. Lamps, phone chargers, extension leads. Paste one on the left wall, paste one on the lower wall, tag both. Living room, TV outlet, data point, two double sockets placed. Now the kitchen. This is the most important power zone in any residential layout. We already placed DBB and DBC here. Now we add the load points, find the cooker unit in the legend, copy it. This is a dedicated high load connection point, your oven, hob or electric range. It gets its own circuit from DBB. Paste it on the back wall of the kitchen, exactly where the cooker will sit. Tag it. Tip here. The cooker unit symbol is different from a standard socket. It represents a fixed connection point, not a plug-in socket. Never substitute one for the other on a drawing. Now copy the double socket from the legend again. We need two of these along the worktop wall for the kettle, microwave, toaster, blender. These feed from DBC. Paste first socket on the worktop wall, paste second one beside it, tag both. Kitchen, cooker unit and two worktop sockets placed. The dining area is straightforward, one double socket on the side wall, useful for a standing lamp, phone charger or small appliance on a sideboard. Copy the double socket from the legend, paste it on the dining area wall, tag it. This runs off DBA. Dining area, one double socket placed. For the bathroom, quick note here. In standard residential electrical practice, you do not place general sockets inside a bathroom due to electrical safety zones. Water and standard sockets do not mix. The only exception is a dedicated shaver socket placed at a specified safe distance from the shower or bath. In our plan, we are leaving the bathroom without power sockets. If a shaver socket is required, the M&E engineer will specify it separately, so we skip the bathroom and move on. All right, so we've placed our three distribution boards on the plan, but if you look closely, they might still be showing a default tag or no name at all. So now we're going to go in and properly name each one. DBA, DBB and DBC. And notice, we did all of this just by copying from the legend. No hunting through menus, no searching for symbols, everything was right there on the drawing. In the next video, we are doing the lighting. Ceiling lights, fans, fan regulators, same method, same legend, same floor plan. We will go roux and by the end of that video the full electrical layout will be complete. If this helped you understand how to place power components on a floor plan, drop a like and let me know in the comments which room you found the trickiest. Subscribe so you don't miss the lighting video coming next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.